Micro steps to wealth with cryptocurrency. It's just 20 bucks. In the lesson intro, I commented on a seminar that Bob Proctor and John Canary taught back in the early 1980s called the You Were Born Rich seminar. There was a segment in this seminar that was so powerful to me that I created all sorts of studies so that I would learn this as much and as quickly as possible. I paraphrase Bob Proctor as he commented in the seminar, "Would you agree that you blow, waste, or spend 20 bucks each week on things that you could do without?" Now imagine a different habit with me. Imagine yourself folding up that $20 bill at the end of the week and putting it into a simple wooden box. Now imagine yourself folding up another $20 bill at the end of the next week and place that in the savings box with the first. Each week, imagine yourself placing another folded bill into the box. Each week, you would see your growing assets and you would feel the accomplishment. And as the weeks turn into months and the months turn into seasons, each week you set aside another $20 bill. Over a time of 50 weeks, you would have saved $1,000, but you would have created two very important habits as well. You would have created the habit of watching your money grow, and you would have also created the habit of protecting that money from all of the desires, all of the events and opportunities that you face from day to day throughout that entire year. Just imagine the accomplishment you would feel. The feeling of accomplishment has become a habit as well, and you begin to learn a new habitual belief in yourself, wouldn't you agree? And habits are hard to break, isn't that right? Now think about this. Imagine that you established this habit in your youth, and you repeated this simple plan throughout all of your working years. Let's say from 20 years old until you were 60 years old. At $1,000 per year over 40 years, you would have saved $40,000. However, this could have been worth more than $1 million with one simple ingredient and no additional work. One simple strategy and no additional effort could have made this $1 million instead of just $40,000. What is this magic strategy that could have such a profound effect on your wealth and your comfort? Let's move on to the next topic in this lesson and reveal the magic strategy that transforms money.